everyone. So, like I said, today I want to use my Wet n Wild 40th anniversary palette. Having a hard time getting it out. It's so beautiful. I think what I want to do today, let's just go with my favorite colors, which is purple. And I think we're gonna work with these three and that purple. So you got, these are the four purples in the palette. I'm gonna just use my Revlon gel liner, because like I totally forgot to look for it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit just to give that something to adhere to on the lid part. I did prime, but I want a base color. So I'm gonna start out with that beautiful matte color. I'm gonna put that in the crease. Okay. This is a brush I got as a gift. Never had it before, but it's angled, so I figure it is for the since it's angled. Interesting. Not a lot of color payoff on that. Let me take more, see if I can layer it. I was thinking of using the pink to blend out on the on this color. Wow, that purple's really patchy. Let me go into the pink, see if that helps it. And okay. Don't know why I refer to the pink as in the purple family, but let's get that out. Alright. Yeah, this is not really blending that well. It's kind of patchy. Let me go in with that frosty purple and put that on the lid. The frosty one picked up a lot of color. Ooh, look at it, look at it. Nice. Very nice. So far, the metallics work way better than that patchy purple color. And adding the pink didn't really help much. Oh, I helped a little bit. I'm gonna go into that pretty opalescent purple that's I showed you and just use that as the highlight, or let's try anyway, because it seems like really sheer, so I figured that might work. And then I'm going to go back into the purple. Yeah, I think that, yeah, now that I put the pink, the purple is blending much more better. Alrighty, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the new Halloween Milani. I saw these at HEB about 2 weeks ago, but Milani came out with new, like, just for Halloween, a more Satin Mattes and Amore. And this one is Sorceress. Also for my brow highlight, I went over it with the lavender from NYX. I think this is lavender. Let me just make sure. Oyster. This is actually Oyster from NYX. Just trying to make it lighter and more noticeable. Under my eyes, I use that same gel liner, and then over it I put these three colors right here, the three purples. This purple, I noticed that when I put the gel liner, it went on much more better. I think you need to put a base color under it because it was so patchy. This hot pink or pink helped, but it was like I could see the pink in the undertone, and I really just wanted the purple. I was gonna try and do the hot pink. I don't have that big of eyes, but between the crease and the highlight, I was gonna put that hot pink color. But this brush that I got, I think it's just too big for my eyes. So, and for blush and highlight, what I did was, I mixed these. So I put this first, but it had too much of a blue undertone. So I put the pink over it, and then I put the pink down my nose. And my blush was my own concoction. I think I may have shown this to you before, but years ago, we're probably talking like 30 years ago, I had an Avon blush, two Avon blushes, a purple and a lilac, and purple was too dark, lilac was too light, so I mixed them together. And then recently I put something else in here. It was a Pure Luxe blush or shadow or something that I mixed in there, and you know, that's what I did for blush. So anyway, I know I wanted to use the palette. I thought about doing something more rainbowy, but I already did that with the Pac-Man eyeshadow. So I said, why not go with my, favorite color, which is purple. So yeah, you really need a base with these. You really do, unfortunately. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what I did.